What's going on, everybody? Kimberly here. Hope you're well and I hope you're keeping safe during this time. So today is a midweek check-in, and this quick video is going to be about you know I'm a makeup artist, and it's not always going to people's houses and doing makeup at someone's home or bridal makeup. You also get to go on location. So for example, you might go to a photo shoot, and that's exactly what this video is about. It's me. I'm doing a model's makeup, so just going to give you a bit of an insight into that, and then you're going to see the overall outcome of her makeup. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch up soon. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. No, that was just dumb and stupid. Right, no, just... So don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and like, subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. God bless and take care.